Welcome to the uCenter 2 video series. In this video, we will show you how to use the built-in update feature and explain the contents and functionality of the help menu. At this point, we expect that uCenter 2 is installed, you managed to create the user account, and logged in the application successfully. Every time you start uCenter 2, it will check for an update. If there is an update available, it will download it in the background, and once it's downloaded, it will notify about it in the bottom right corner. If at that point you wouldn't have time to install it, you can postpone it with the dismiss button. However, a small green circle will still remind you that there is an update available, and if you click on the help menu, you will find the menu point install update in it. If you click on it, it will install the latest version of uCenter 2. Now that we install the update, I will go through each element of the help menu. Let me start with the About section. Here you will find information about the version. Here you will find the release notes that will tell you what new, improved, or fixed is in this version. You will find a list of third-party licenses we used for development and the end-user license agreement of uCenter 2. The technical support portal will bring you to the support community page of u-blox. Here you can use the same user account what you use for uCenter 2 to log in. You can ask a question from the community, or you can get in contact with our customer service by creating a support case. The next point is the user guide. uCenter 2 has an online user guide where we provide information about all the basic functionality of the software. And the final element is the user feedback menu, where you can provide us some basic feedback. The first is your overall satisfaction, then you can provide us some usage information, how often you use uCenter 2, and the third point, you can give us some general feedback about the software and how we could make it better. If you want us to get back to you, please provide some contact information in the fourth point. By this, I conclude this video. Please check out the other episodes of the uCenter 2 video series and have a great day.